shaded region where a circular radius of 6 cm has been drawn with the vertex of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 cm as center. See here, try to understand the question. AOB is an equilateral triangle and above that one circle has been drawn. Now you want the area of equilateral triangle as well as this part of the circle. There are different methods that have been used in different textbooks, but today what I feel is I would like to give this problem, solution of this problem in a very simple method. First what I will do is, since it is given that it is an equilateral triangle, I will find out the area of equilateral triangle first. First what I will do is area of equilateral triangle I will find out. Area of equilateral triangle formula you know children. Area of equilateral triangle, formula for area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. So root 3 by 4 into side square means how much? Here this is root 3 by 4 into side given to us is 12 square. So I will write here 12 square. This will become root 3 by 4 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12. So 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So this becomes 36 root 3 square centimeter. So what did I get children? I got the area of the equilateral triangle. Now I need to find out the area of this part. Actually in some of the books what they are given is they have found the area of the whole circle and then from there they have removed this sector. But what I say is I will add the area of this reflex angle. I will take it. Suppose this is theta. If this is theta, then this will be reflex theta. This will be reflex theta. Suppose now this is already 60 because it's an equilateral triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. So this will be reflex theta. So what I will do here is theta is equal to 60 degree because triangle ABC is equilateral. Triangle ABC is equilateral. So if triangle ABC is equilateral, then theta is 60. So theta plus reflex theta is equal to 360. So children, already you know theta. Theta is how much? 60. So reflex theta will be equal to 300. So theta plus reflex theta is equal to 360. And children, if you want reflex theta, then reflex theta will be equal to what? 360 minus 60, and that's equal to how much? 300 डिग्री हो जाएगा. तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर ये 300 डिग्री ले लूँगा. तो यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे हम? एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, area of major sector I will say here, area of major sector I will say better, is equal to pi r square multiplied by reflex theta divided by 360. Pi r square into reflex theta by 360 degree. So pi value given to us is how much? Nothing is given to us. That means what? 22 by 7 we have to take. Radius given to us is how much? 6 into 6. And reflex theta means how much? 300 divided by 360. 300 divided by 360. So this, if you continue children, here this 0 cancels with 0 and this will be equal to how much? 3 tens are. 3 tens are and this will be 3 12s are. This is 6 1s are, 6 2s are, 12. Again 2 3s are, 6 and 2 1s are. So finally what we are going to get here is 222 into 3, that is equal to 66. 22 into 3 is 66, into 10 is 660. 660 divided by 7 square centimeters. 660 divided by 7 square centimeter. What is this? This is the area of the major sector. Now you want total area. So total area is equal of shaded region. total area of shaded region is equal to 660, that is the area of the plus this area of the equilateral triangle is 36 root 3. So this much of square, what is it? Centimeter. And if you want, you can further simplify it also. You can take this as LCM is 7. So this is 660 plus, if I take the LCM, then that is 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 7 3 are 21 plus 4 is 25 root 3. This much of square centimeter. This is the answer. 660 plus 252 root 3 by 7 square centimeters. From each corner of a square of sides 4 centimeter, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut. Also, a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut. Find the remaining portion of the square. See here, there is a square from which 1, 2, 3 and 4 quadrants are cut. And also one circle is also we are going to cut. So that means what? Area of this complete square minus area of these 4 quadrants and minus area of this circle will be equal to area of shaded region. See, if you are confident of solving the problem in 1 or 2 steps itself, you can solve it. Otherwise, divide this problem into simple steps so that you will get marks in the exam. So what I will do is, area of a square I will write here. Area of square is equal to side square. You know it very well. Area of a square is equal to side square. So side square means how much? 4 square, and 4 square means it is equal to 16 square centimeters. So what is this, children? This is area of square. Now I will find out the area of 4 sectors or 4 quadrants. Area of 4 quadrants. See, if you divide this problem into very simple steps, then you will get more marks. See, area of 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants. If you want area of 4 quadrants, then that is 4 into pi r square theta by 360. So here, if you simplify it, 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is how much? Radius given to you is 1 centimeter. So 1 into 1 into theta is 90 because it is quadrant, 90 by 360. Children, 0 cancels 0, 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 4 4 cancels. So finally what I am going to get here is 22 by 7 square centimeter. What is this? This is area of 4 quadrants. Now I want area of this circle also. If I want area of this circle, then what I will do? Area of circle. Here diameter is given. So what I will do? I will write diameter here. From the diameter I will write the radius. That is 2 by 2 is equal to how much? 1 centimeter is the radius. So this I will write it as pi r square or capital R square if you want. So 22 by 7 multiplied by 1 into 1, and that is equal to how much? 22 by 7. Now what I got is, I got the area of first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant and area of this circle. Now if I want area of shaded region, what I will have to do is area of this circle, area of this square, that is 16, minus area of the 4 quadrant, that is 22 by 7, minus area of the circle, that is 22 by 7. So that means how much? 16 minus this 7 if I take the LCM, then that is 44. So let us solve it here, this 1 here. So into 7 and this is into 1. 16 into 7, 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 7 1s are 7 plus 4 is 112 minus 44, and this if you solve it, 12 minus 4 is 8 and 12 minus 4 is 8 and 10 minus 4 here is 6. So 68 by 7 square centimeter is the area of this shaded region. So what I have done is area of the square minus area of the 4 quadrants, and that will give you the final results of this problem. So I hope you understood it.